Alright, tonight we're cooking pinakbet, a classic Filipino vegetable dish that proves two things. Number one, vegetables can actually taste good. Number two, fish sauce and oyster sauce can fix almost anything, including bad moods and hangover. Here are the ingredients: garlic, onions, couple of tomatoes, and a special kind of squash, which is called kabucha. It's just a little bit sweeter. Okra, some pork, and some shrimps. We got the oyster sauce, and of course fish sauce. Last but not the least, some chilies. Let's have a look at the ingredients again. Let's get the wok really hot. Now let's peel the squash. Don't try to peel this with a peeler, it will ruin it. And let's chop this into big chunks. But first, let's remove the seeds with the help of a spoon. It needs to be chopped in really big pieces. You're gonna understand why later. Of course, the onions. I'm gonna chop them into chunky bits. Same with the tomatoes. Now we're gonna render our pork. What I do is I put a little bit of water, let it soften a little bit, and the fats will come out. Then we tenderize it a little bit. And then that's the time to put some vegetable oil. Let crispy up a little bit. Get it nice and brown. Now we put our onions. Let the onions soften. Let's just half the garlic. Let's keep on sauteing it. And now we put the squash. And then the tomatoes. We can put our chilies now as well. I broke these chilies, I break it into half so the flavors can come out. Let's put on the lid. And after 5 minutes, we mix it again to prevent sticking. The bottom will get burned. I don't want that. Just put some black pepper. Seasons with salt. Some oyster sauce. Oh wait, I forgot. I got some in the fridge. I still got some oyster sauce in the fridge. I wash the bottle with a little bit of water so I can get all those remaining. I'm adding a little bit more water. After another 5 minutes, let's check. Oh, that looks already cooked. Yeah, let's stir it up. Okay, I simmer it down for another 5 minutes. It's time for the other ingredients to join in the fun. If you look at the squash, it's a little bit soft now. Now it's time to put the okra. And we put the shrimps as well. I use fish sauce and oyster sauce because if I use bagoong, bagoong is a shrimp paste. It's gonna stink up the whole house, and it's gonna be the same taste but a little bit stronger. And I put the fish sauce at the end. It's not gonna change the flavor, it's not gonna affect the flavor, it's gonna be the same dish minus the bad smell. I think it's even more better, I think, in my opinion, than using bagoong. Let's give it a try. The indication that everything is cooked is when the squash is already soft and all is tender. The okra doesn't take long to cook, so yeah, let's give it a try. This is outstanding dish. Give it a try, guys. It's not hard to cook. See you again next time. Thank you.